Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Village-sur-le-Lac is one of the newer residential areas in the city of Vaudreuil-Dorion, located just west of Montreal. The neighborhood sit close to the shores of Lac des Deux Montagnes, giving the area a calm waterfront atmosphere that has helped shape its identity. Much of the development here took place during the late 20th century and early 21st century as more families began moving away from central Montreal in search of larger homes and easier access to nature. Today, Village-sur-le-Lac is known for its modern homes, parks, walking paths, and strong connection to the surrounding water and green space. Vaudreuil-Dorion itself has grown rapidly over the past few decades. The city now has a population of more than 40,000 people, making it one of the fastest growing communities in Western Quebec. Its location has played a major role in that growth. The city sits at the meeting point of Autoroute 20, Autoroute 30, and Autoroute 40, creating an important transportation link between Montreal, Ontario, and the rest of Quebec. For many residents, Vaudreuil-Dorion offers a balance between suburban comfort and access to big city employment opportunities. The history of the region stretches back much further than the modern suburbs seen today. Long before European settlement, Indigenous peoples traveled and traded along these waterways for generations. The lakes and rivers surrounding the area formed part of important transportation routes across what is now southern Quebec and eastern Ontario. French settlement began during the 17th and 18th centuries when seigneurial land grants encouraged farming communities to develop along the water. The area that became Vaudreuil was named after Philippe de Rigaud de Vaudreuil, who served as Governor-General of New France during the early 1800s. Dorion developed separately as a railway community during the 19th century. The arrival of rail transportation transformed the area, allowing goods and people to move more quickly between Montreal and communities farther west. In 1994, the towns of Vaudreuil and Dorion officially merged to form the modern city of Vaudreuil-Dorion. Since then, residential construction has expanded steadily, especially in neighborhoods like Village-sur-le-Lac. Many of the homes here were designed with families in mind, featuring quiet crescents, nearby schools, and access to recreational areas. One of the defining features of Village-sur-le-Lac is its relationship with the water. Lac des Deux Montagnes is part of the larger Ottawa River system and has long been important for transportation, recreation, and local wildlife. During the warmer months, the lake attracts boaters, kayakers, anglers, and cyclists. Waterfront parks and trails around Vaudreuil-Dorion provide residents with places to walk, relax, and enjoy views of the surrounding landscape. The nearby municipal green spaces also help preserve part of the natural environment despite the city's rapid growth. Another important part of life in Vaudreuil-Dorion is commuting. Many residents travel daily to Montreal using highways or the regional commuter rail system. The Vaudreuil-Hudson train line connects the area directly to downtown Montreal, making it possible for people to live in a quieter suburban environment while working in the city. This combination of accessibility and residential growth has made the area especially attractive to young families and retirees alike. Even with its modern expansion, traces of the region's older history can still be found nearby. Historic church, older farmhouses, and small village centres remain throughout the Vaudreuil-Soulanges region. The surrounding countryside continues to include farmland that has been cultivated for generations. This mix of old and new gives the area a distinct character, where modern subdivisions exist alongside landscapes shaped by centuries of settlement and transportation history. Today, Village-sur-le-Lac reflects the broader evolution of Vaudreuil-Dorion itself. What was once a Keter riverside area has become part of one of Quebec's growing suburban communities. Yet, despite the growth, the neighborhood still maintains a peaceful atmosphere connected to the nearby lake and natural surroundings. For visitors, the area offers a look at how communities around Montreal continue to expand while remaining closely tied to the waterways and history that first brought people here centuries ago.